Boateye360 also offers a monitor that is compatible via HDMI and RCA. So let's go ahead and open this up and we'll just take a look. So this is our monitor. Just pull it out there. So this is our monitor here. It's the Boateye360 monitor. It comes equipped with HDMI connectivity as well as 2 RCA inputs. And you've got your power for red, black for ground, and it has a channel button here where you could toggle between 3 different channels, one being HDMI and the other 2 being RCA or analog. So if we look inside this box, you'll also find a bracket. And you'll find the knobs that attach the bracket to the monitor. And you'll find some screws if you want to do flush mount. And with this monitor, you can flush mount it onto your dash if you'd like. There's 4 holes there. There's also 2 holes here for any type of custom bracket that you might want to make. But if you're attaching the bracket that we include, here's where it would go right here. So this concludes our monitor video. If you have any questions, please make sure to reach out to contact@boateye360.com and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.